All right, so in this section, we're focusing on Git tags, which we have not really talked about at all, but they're pretty straightforward, nothing super difficult. And they're also not used all the time. It depends on the project, it depends on the company or the organization that you're working with, or just your personal habits. Most often these days, tags are used to mark different releases, different versions of a project over time, like, version 7.1.0, version 7.1.1, and so on. So important to understand. I'll say understanding Git tags is important. Understanding semantic versioning is not really tied to Git. This is a concept on its own. I'm teetering between important and nice to have because it's kind of these days like the de facto use case for tags. But anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'll say that viewing tags is important. Creating tags, lightweight and annotated tags is important. And being able to push tags is important. Moving tags, diffing tags, deleting tags, nice to have. I mean, it's all kind of in this gray area between important and nice to have, but nothing, in my opinion, that is critical here. If you end up working with tags a lot, you'll get very good with them, and it's very straightforward. Honestly, they're pretty simple. So I think it's worth checking out the section. For as many videos as there are, it's actually pretty short. Some of them are like 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. So don't let it intimidate you that there's 11 videos or something. Anyway, let's get started. We're going to talk about tags. Here we go.